Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jess. You know me as CrueltyFreeMakeupHeaven because I love cruelty-free makeup. Today we're going to be playing with some lenses from the third eye. So yeah, these lenses come in this cute packaging, and when you open it, you got like a card that says hello and some stickers that are super cute. And I also got these ones. I don't know what these are. I think face tattoos or something. I don't know. And then I also got like a little pocket mirror, which is ideal for like placing lenses in your eye. They also sent me these cute glitters. I love it so much. But now it's time for the lenses themselves, that they come in this sort of packaging. And this first one is Polar Light Brown 2, and yeah, as you can tell, the packaging doesn't really match the lens themselves, but this is how they look in one eye, and they cover up my eye perfectly. They're a little bigger than my own eye, but I love how they bring light into it and make it a little bigger. And this is with the two lenses in, and yeah, I think it's safe to say that I am obsessed by these. I love how they're a little lighter than my own eyes, and they give me a lighter stare. And then these ones are in Egypt brown in a cute pink packaging. And yeah, as you can tell, this is more intense lens, so the border around it is darker. I really like this, and it gives like a very intense stare, I think, and I love it. It's a little bit more to the grayish side. Then these next ones are indeed green, as the packaging is, and they are called Be Green. And this is how they look. They're also slightly bigger than my own eye, and I love the effect this gives with the dark border. On one of my eyes though, it seems to be fitting less good than on the other eye, but I don't mind it all that much. And oh yeah, did I also say these are on prescription? So this is how you take out the lenses, super easy. And then it's time for the last lenses. These are in Egypt purple, and yeah, they're purple. This covers up my eyes so well. I was a bit afraid that it wouldn't show up that well on my dark brown eyes. And here I will show you how I put them in. So it's very easy with the tool that comes with it. You just place it inside, and then you get rid of the moisture, and there you go. I really love the mysterious vibe these give, and I'm just like so ready to live my wild Jennifer dreams from The Witcher, if anybody knows it. Yeah, it's an awesome game and series. So yeah, I really love how these look. I loved all 4 of the lenses actually, and I placed them in their little holders that you also get with the lens. And yeah, this is how I store them, very easy, and I place some stickers on them to know which is which. So I'm really happy with these lenses, really happy with the quality, and if you also want to try them, here is my code. It will save you some money. And yeah, make sure to be subscribed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the flip side.